The Department of Buildings, sometime in the not-too-distant future.
Good morning. How are you? I'm Chris Benedict. I'm the architect of record for this job.
Good morning, Ms. Benedict. Sorry, I'm very busy. We're very backlogged here at the Department of Buildings. Fortunately, the department has implemented some new changes which will help ease our workload. What are you here for this morning?
Well, I haven't made it easier on us architects. I'm here to get energy code approval for the building. I've done all of my computer model energy code compliance sheets, provided the details, the R values, the calculations. I have my light fixture plans. I've got my TR8 forms all filled out and all of the required special inspections listed on my plans with the proper code section cited. I think I have everything to get approval for the energy code, part of my application. It took forever, but the building's designed as a passive house, so there should be no problems with anything.
Ms. Benedict, you did all that? I see you're a little bit out of the loop here. Do you know that today is the first day of the Department of Buildings' implementation of the Perfect Energy Code?
The what?
The Perfect Energy Code. You haven't heard about it?
The Perfect Energy Code? What on earth is that? Look, I've done my ComCheck compliance sheets here. I'm 20% better than code. Are you telling me it's all rejected now? I've got to get this job approved. Well, I have to hire another whole set of consultants to send all of my employees to more classes. I was up all night alligator wrestling the ComCheck, trying to get this building into the computer model.
No, none of that. It will just take me a minute to see if your building complies with the Perfect Energy Code.
I think I'm going to faint.
Here's the code right here. Calm down, Ms. Benedict. Tell me, what's the square footage of your building? Look, it's right here. Section 8G on your PW1. See?
Oh, right.
42,000 square feet. Okay. Now give me the input energy to the heating equipment you're using.
I think it's 4,200 BTUs per hour.
Look, see what your Schedule C says in Section 4.
Schedule C, okay. Oh yes, it's an oil-fired, gas-fired boiler, and it's 4,200 BTUs per hour.
Okay, so we divide the BTUs per hour by the square footage of the building. 10 BTUs per hour per square foot. Wow, this will be a very comfortable building during the winter. The code maximum is 15, so you pass the Perfect Energy Code for heating.
Wow, all I have to do is get below a certain number?
That's it, that's all there is to it. Now let's look at your equipment use application for the air conditioner size.
Okay, here's this, and then the other information is here on M2.
We don't need all that, just give me the equipment energy input.
Okay, let's see, here.
Here it is, okay. Divide that by the square footage. Yeah, you're at about 3 watts per square foot. That's less than the code limit of 5, so you pass for air conditioning. Congratulations, you comply with the Perfect Energy Code for both heating and cooling.
You're kidding, that's it?
That's it, you're done.
So, no computer models?
No more computer models.
No lengthy, tedious, and expensive classes to learn how to do a computer model?
No more computer modeling classes.
No modeling a fake building and comparing one fake building to another fake building?
No more fake building modeling.
No pretending that energy cost savings is actually energy savings?
No more.
No more faith-based codes?
Please, Ms. Benedict, this is a government agency. You know we can't talk about that.
No more competitors gaming the energy model?
Your competitors are not going to game the models anymore, and they're not going to game us here at the Buildings Department either anymore.
And no more knowing that I'm only one of 10% of people whose designs actually comply with the code?
I think the number was way less than 10%, but I'm not supposed to talk about that.
And no tabular analysis and endless citing of the code on my plans?
No more.
And no more special inspections?
No more.
Wow. The Department of Buildings acknowledges that all of the good work done in a building to reduce energy shows up in the size of the mechanical system. All I need are 3 numbers: the square footage of the building, the heating equipment size, and the cooling equipment size.
Yes, all those numbers are already part of the Building Department filing. It makes examination for compliance easier and faster for us here at the department with far less paperwork. Of course, it's the responsibility of you architects and engineers to design a building that works with smaller equipment, but this can be done in any way you choose. There's no waste, no fakery, no pretending, no room for cheating, just professionals like you taking responsibility for your work like you're always supposed to anyhow.
Wow.
You design with the Passive House standard, so you're certainly able to reduce the size of your systems. But we now give you the freedom to get the building to be energy efficient in any way you see fit as a professional. In the end, the building has to work, or your client will complain to you.
That's for sure.
And we at the department are proud to know that the changes we implemented will make buildings more comfortable, healthier for people to be in, more energy efficient, and they will actually cost less to build.
So no more special inspections. How does the building department assure compliance?
During the field inspection, the inspector will verify that the equipment filed is the equipment installed, just like now. This is already a normal building department procedure. If the equipment you showed on your plans is not installed, the job won't pass inspection. Please understand that now that we have a code that we can actually enforce, we're going to be cracking down. Non-compliance will hold up a final approval.
This code is so beautifully designed. The work required of the architect and the engineer is the work they do already and take responsibility for. The plan examiners can easily examine for compliance, and the inspectors do what they typically do, make sure that what was filed was installed.
Architects and engineers will have to learn more about real buildings, not computer model buildings. We plan to lower those maximum numbers over time.
No kidding. The architects and the engineers are going to have to learn, but there's plenty of places to learn what they need to know.
Well, I need to get back to my work. Congratulations on your compliance with the perfect energy code.
Thank you very much. You have made my day.
And so our intrepid architect left the building department delighted that finally we now have an energy code that promotes the education of architects, actually saves energy, and is enforceable.
Thank you very much. And we also want to thank Peter Marciano for his announcing and our wonderful curtain holders here, Pat Jones and Leah Krieger. Thank you.